All right, let's do it. We're on video 562. Source code is here. You can email me here. You're on this playlist right here, and let's get going. So in the Fiopunk top-level data section, we have gutted this struct right here, this dFiopunk task data win save. We don't need it, so I tagged it with not used, and I removed all of these elements. Now, why is this even here if we're not going to use it? Well, just because I want to kind of explicitly state what I'm not doing, because we have this win load struct, so why is there not a win save struct, right? That's a lack of symmetry, and I want it to be clear that we thought about having this object and decided it wasn't needed. Okay, so in the Fiopunk function section, we have this new section, reset task data structs. Got a monkey wrench macro here, and here is the function that resets our task data for the win load, right? So this is resetting it, and we're going to get a temporary reference to our reusable task data struct with a whole bunch of state information, and we're going to take every single member and we're just going to reset it to our custom nil type. So these are custom nils, right? They're tagged nils that just let me know where the object was set to nil. Where were all these members set to nil, right? I can identify that in the code if I encounter a nil when I wasn't expecting one. So we have to reset this state before we can load something again, right? Because we want to have repeatability, and to have repeatability, we need to start off at the beginning each time, right? The next time we execute the function, we don't want the state to be slightly different, and that's why we need to have this reset once we're done loading our data into the game. Okay, so let's go down here. So here's where we're calling that reset function. It's right after we're done loading game. Once we're done loading memory into the game, right? So with this loading function right here, this terminal callback that loads the pixel array into the game memory, once we're done doing that, we need to reset this object here, right? And then right here in this function, we changed this from a yell to a message. And that's all we did. So here's what we did previously. Here's our footnotes. Here's what we did in this video. Like, subscribe, send money in the mail. If you want a longer explanation, you can go here. Like and subscribe. My name is Kanji Coder.